Hey everybody, welcome back to Auto Scholar with Mr. B. I'm Mr. B, and today we have this 2008 Honda Accord with the 4-cylinder VTEC engine in it, and we have a code for a lean condition in the engine. So it's a P0171 code, and those are normally going to be vacuum leaks. So I was expecting a vacuum leak when I popped the hood, and I found this problem. It took me about 10 seconds to find this issue. Now, if you have a P0171 code on this Honda, you can have vacuum leaks pretty much anywhere, but this is the one that I found. So I wanted to go ahead and document this, get this out there in case you have this code. You may have this problem as well. So let's go on the hood and I'll show you what I found. So if you get one of these codes, you want to check all your vacuum lines going to all the different places in the engine, all the way down to the brake booster. You want to check your intake gasket. And the best way to do this is use a smoke machine. But fortunately, on this issue that I found, I didn't need a smoke machine. It was just so blatantly obvious that this was what's going on. And this vehicle belongs to a friend of mine. She just got about $3,000 of work done to it at a local shop. And so check engine light came on and she brought it over here to me. And I just want to show you guys what I found. Let me go ahead and get the camera off the tripod so it's a little bit easier to see. And right here on this intake, you see this boot is cracked. And that's what's causing what we call false air. This is your mass airflow meter, and this is metering all the air that's coming into the engine, and it's sending a message to the ECM, and the ECM is going to decide how much fuel to inject and, you know, your timing, everything else off of that. So when I get false air in here, so I'm sucking air through this hole in this hose, and it's bypassing this mass airflow meter, and that's causing what we call false air, and that will cause your car to run poorly and your check engine light to illuminate. Okay, so the intake hose being broken on this car is what's causing the P0171 code. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to get another part, put it on. They just, they have clamps on here, and it just unbolts and then bolts back on. And then I'm going to run a smoke test on the engine to look for any of the vacuum leaks, because the chances are if this is leaking, there could be a leak anywhere in the vacuum system on the car. With the age and the mileage on the vehicle, anything's possible. So I definitely want to double check my work and make sure I'm not sending the car out with another problem that goes undiagnosed. So if you like what you saw here, just like the video and of course subscribe to the channel. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, VK, and I post a lot of content there that really doesn't line up to YouTube. So follow me on all those for all the latest information, and we'll see you next time on Auto Scholar with Mr. B.